and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in Melon Playground in 2025. This is going to get you a ton of free coins and it is super simple, and it's going to save you a bunch of cash because you're probably aware coins in Melon Playground are pretty expensive, but you can also get no ads as well. So yeah, I'm going to be basically running through these steps that you need to take, and you need to use your mobile phone and have an internet connection, and then just follow these instructions. So you've got to go to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So very important very important you use your mobile phone for this, but yeah, basically go to Robot Coupons. When you reach this website, you need to find the Melon Playground page. So I'm just going to type that in the search bar, and you can see here Melon Playground, free coins and no ads. So you can get 12,000 free coins in Melon Playground. Click on that, and then you're going to see this page here. Press start. And it's going to connect to the server, and it's going to detect your device. So you can see it says we detected Melon Playground on your iPhone. I'm using an iPhone, of course. And then it says select the resources that you want to get and click continue. So in this case I want coins, but you can see you can get ads, no ads as well, and then press continue. And I'm going to choose the maximum of 12,000 coins. So you can see it's just basically going to be adding that to my account. Super easy, and it's super quick as well. You can see it's finalizing the process now. And sometimes this happens. It says automatic verification failed. You need to perform manual verification. This is super simple, guys. I've done this a few times. So you've got to click on verify. And now you're going to see this Melon verification, guys. And you need to follow the instructions on this page. So it says here, complete 2 of the tasks below. Follow the instructions, and this basically verifies you're not a robot. So you can see I've got a list of things here. These are sort of free applications and mobile games, and you need to basically complete a couple of these. So you can see there is a description. Oops, I've accidentally pressed one, but yeah, there is a description. So this one at the bottom that I accidentally pressed, it says install, open and complete chapter 4. So this is like a mobile game where you would click on it and you would have to download it from the App Store and complete chapter 4, so basically level 4. Alternatively, you can get ones like this one that says download and complete level 9. You may also see surveys as well, but once you've done that, guys, it will basically credit you your free coins in Melon Playground. So super easy. Just do make sure you complete that verification. And yeah, once you've done that, reset your game and it's going to add 12,000 free coins to your Melon Playground account. So go to Robot Coupons and just follow through the instructions. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and smash the like button if you got your free coins, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.